Welcome to Wildlife Side. Today, we're diving into one of the most fascinating and mysterious aspects of the animal kingdom, gender change. While we often think of gender as a fixed trait, many animals have evolved unique ways to alter their sex throughout their lives. In this video, we'll explore 5 incredible species that can change their gender and uncover the reasons behind these remarkable transformations. From strategic survival tactics to complex social structures, you'll discover how and why these animals adapt in such extraordinary ways. Let's get started. Snails. Many snail species are fascinating examples of hermaphroditism, possessing both male and female reproductive organs. This unique biological trait allows them to switch genders based on mating needs and environmental conditions. For instance, in environments where potential mates are scarce, snails can change sex to maximize their chances of reproduction, ensuring that they can mate regardless of the sex ratio in their habitat. Environmental factors like temperature, food availability, and population density also influence this gender switching ability. In densely populated areas with limited resources, the ability to change sex can be crucial for reproductive success. This adaptability offers significant advantages, such as maximizing reproductive opportunities and enhancing genetic diversity within populations. Moreover, in conditions where mates are few, the ability to change sex ensures that snails can continue to reproduce, contributing to the stability and resilience of their species. Ultimately, the hermaphroditic nature of snails exemplifies the incredible adaptability of life, enabling these creatures to thrive in diverse and often challenging environments. Pacific oysters, scientifically known as Crassostria gigas, exhibit remarkable reproductive flexibility, displaying both protandry, male to female, and protogeny, female to male, depending on environmental conditions and population density. When food is abundant, these oysters are more likely to transition from male to female, optimizing their reproductive success during peak spawning periods. This adaptability is vital for maintaining a stable and healthy population, especially in fluctuating environments where mate availability may be limited. Research has shown that approximately 34% of Pacific oysters undergo sex changes between breeding seasons, with factors such as body size and social interactions influencing this likelihood. Larger oysters are more likely to become female, while those in solitary conditions are more prone to transition from male to female compared to those in groups. This dynamic reproductive strategy not only enhances individual reproductive potential, but also contributes to the overall resilience and stability of oyster populations in their natural habitats. Bearded dragon. Bearded dragons, native to Australia, possess a fascinating ability to change their gender in response to environmental factors, particularly the temperature during egg incubation. Bearded dragons have sex chromosomes, just like us. Genetically, the males have 2 Z chromosomes, ZZ, while the females have a Z and a W chromosome, ZW. But here's the cool part. If a bearded dragon egg incubates at temperatures above 32 degrees Celsius, 90 degrees Fahrenheit, during a critical period of development, a genetically male ZZ embryo can develop into a female. This temperature-dependent sex determination is an amazing adaptation that allows bearded dragons to adjust their gender ratios based on environmental conditions. It's like nature's way of giving them a backup plan. If it gets too hot, the males can essentially become females to keep the population balanced. Interestingly, these temperature-induced females don't just look like females on the outside. They also exhibit typical female behaviors, like being less aggressive and more social. But they still retain some male traits too, like being a bit bolder than genetically determined females. Scientists think this flexibility in gender helps bearded dragons thrive in their harsh, arid habitats. By being able to shift their sex ratios, they can make sure there are enough females around to keep the population going, even if the weather gets extreme. Bluehead wrasse. The bluehead wrasse is another fish species that exhibits sex change. Initially, most individuals are female, but when the dominant male is removed, the largest female will transition into a male. This change helps maintain the social structure and reproductive balance within their groups. When a dominant male bluehead wrasse is removed from a group, the largest female in the group senses the change and starts to undergo an incredible transformation. Within minutes, she becomes more aggressive and starts displaying male courtship behaviors. Over the next 8 to 10 days, her body goes through some amazing changes. Her ovaries start shrinking and are replaced by sperm-producing testes. Her colors also begin to change from the typical female yellow and brown to the male's striking green and blue. By day 20, the transformation is complete. The female has become a fully functional male, capable of mating with females and siring offspring. Pretty incredible, right? But why do bluehead wrasse do this? It all comes down to maintaining a healthy social structure and reproductive balance within their groups. This ability to change sex is found in around 500 species of fish, making it a pretty common adaptation. It allows these animals to be flexible in their reproductive strategies, ensuring the survival of their species in a constantly changing environment. Clownfish. Clownfish are well-known sequential hermaphrodites, starting their lives as males. In a group, a dominant female leads, and if she happens to die or is removed, the largest male in the group steps up to take her place. But here's the amazing part. He undergoes a transformation and changes sex to become the new female. This incredible adaptation ensures that the breeding pair remains intact, allowing for continued reproduction within their cozy anemone habitat. The clownfish and their anemone have a symbiotic relationship, where the clownfish get protection from predators, and in return, they help keep the anemone clean and healthy. This unique ability to change sex is crucial for maintaining the stability of their social structure and ensuring that the population can thrive. It allows clownfish to quickly adapt to changes in their environment, ensuring that there's always a breeding pair ready to produce the next generation. And there you have it, 5 remarkable animals that can change their gender and the fascinating reasons behind these transformations. Whether it's for survival, social dynamics, or reproductive strategies, these creatures demonstrate the incredible adaptability of nature. If you enjoyed learning about these extraordinary examples of gender flexibility in the animal kingdom, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more wildlife wonders. We'd love to hear your thoughts and any other amazing animal facts you know, so drop a comment below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Wildlife Side.